Ito po ang mga perfumes natin na available today. We have yung long-lasting perfumes, 25% aroma oil. And then, ito na po yung price natin na pinakamura, 150 pesos. And then, we have yung light and refreshing cologne, 4% aroma oil. This is non-sticky, so maganda siya gamitin pang body spray. And then, mga testers natin. Ito po yung mga perfumes natin na available. We have the small and big cologne. We have eau de parfum and extrait de parfum. Meron tayong oil-based na roll-on perfume. And then, we have room spray. Dito lang po kami sa Malaya Street, Corner Apo, Barangay Maharlika, Quezon City.